Yeah, tiny. Here we go. Let's start again. Tiny reminder for those who follow my YouTube channel on a regular basis and my Facebook pages on a regular basis. Just want to remind you to look for videos of mine from quickx. So have a look on this YouTube channel for videos of quickx and see it demonstrated and see what the actual benefits are. Quickx is literally launching a few crypto related and blockchain related products, one of which is a very funky health watch, so you get healthy while you are mining. This is a watch, crazy. An own crypto and blockchain phone, so you will get a blockchain phone. Listen to this, very logical. So they're launching a blockchain phone, deregulated phone. This is new technology, and one of the most interesting products as far as I'm concerned is a brand new wallet, a crypto wallet that you literally just bump to your mobile phone and it opens and it's being activated, and you're able to cross transfer different coins, different crypto currencies, and add cryptocurrencies, and also their own payment platform. Now, mind you, the crypto wallet is totally a hard wallet, so a hardware wallet. It is risk-free, very fast, has all the credentials and the regulations and the different quality approval seals. But what I think the most interesting thing of quickx is that they created a liquidity pool, a specific liquidity pool. That's why I'm asking you, look for the presentations of quickx that I'm posting on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook pages, because they are introducing a very funky liquidity pool that makes this crypto wallet so fast and so revolutionary. And you've got to see it. When you see it, you're done. And at this moment, the tokens, the quickx tokens, the quickx related tokens, are I think 13 cents. Don't quote me on it. And they are being predicted to be $20 at the end of 2019. That's almost 150 or 200 xer. Now, obviously, that's not a promise. No guarantees. I'm not a financial advisor, not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice and all that disclaimer crap to get those funky people with funny curly white wigs and black ropes off our backs. That's actually the whole reason why we created the crypto revolution, I think. Most people. Anyway. So quickx, have a look for videos, and when you see this video on YouTube, there's a little link underneath every YouTube video, approximately underneath this area, that is spelling share. When you click on that word, when you click on the little word spelled share, little social media icons pop up, and you're able to share this video on your own social media platforms to grant other people the opportunities. So here you go. Sharing is caring. Leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page when you see this video, on a page where you can do so. Won't spam you. I'll send you appropriate video information, and then get back to the person that sent you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It'll blow your hair back and knock your socks off for the next 30 years. And then I'll see you and yours definitely on our live streaming sessions, webinars, seminars. What else? In the next video on different landing pages, in funnels, and also on our events, outings, but definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Check you soon.